I'm actually not destroying this deck by accident. The customer wanted to get a better price on taking this tree down, and his deck wasn't in the best shape. So I told him, if you want to save money, it's probably not going to beat up the deck too bad. And I was right. I wish I gave you guys a little bit more video afterwards, but basically the tree smashes into the porch just enough to damage one of the boards, and there's a bracket that holds the outer support board onto the actual 4x4s, and it just kind of pulled it out of the 4x4. So actually, it looked like it was probably about $15 and a 20-minute repair job for whoever had to do it. Not us, because we had a deal. But yeah, enjoy.